Hey everybody, so this is a short video today. This is going to be showcasing an accessory on my Ridgeline that I would consider to be somewhat rare from Honda. This is an OEM accessory, so you get it right from Honda and you can have a dealer installed, you can put it on yourself, and it's the welcome lights. I'll put the model number in the description. This is not the welcome lights that are attached to the running boards. This is a standalone set of welcome lights that mounts underneath the rocker panels, and you can find it right there in the accessories section when you build your Ridgeline on Honda's website. And in true Honda fashion, there's almost no information out there about how these work or what they look like. In fact, there is not one photo anywhere on the internet that I can find, believe it or not, of a Honda Ridgeline with the welcome lights without the running boards, other than the picture taken from the Honda website where you build your own. So today, this will be the first video that I know of on the internet that actually shows this accessory. If there are others out there who have them, post your pictures if they still work. That's the thing. Apparently a lot of them don't work anymore. I pretty much expect that to happen to these as well. I had this kit installed by the dealer prior to taking delivery of the truck. That way it's covered under warranty. Again, Western Pennsylvania. These little LED lights under there are not going to last. I just know it. But hey, Honda, you offered them, so I bought them. That's just how I am. I don't know why you don't tell everybody about them. I think they look nice. They light up really nice, and I'm going to show you what they look like underneath and where they were mounted. So the way these actually work, as soon as you walk up to the truck and you touch the door handle, the truck unlocks. And that's when these actually light up, as you can see here. And they stay lit until you get in the vehicle, and either they time out or you lock it if you're leaving, or you start the truck. And I believe that's when they go out. So they don't stay lit very long. I have it set to auto lock, so when it locks, they actually turn off. So let me show you where these little things live. And as I get the camera down low, you're actually going to see where they're mounted. 1, 2, 3 of them. The first one, the second one, and the third one. These are the same lights that are on the Pilot. I believe the Pilot includes some at the tailgate. I'm not sure on that. And here they are. That's the back one. It's the middle one. And that's the front one. So there's 3 of them. You can see the wire goes up in there. That's all there is to it. When you unlock the truck, they light up. So starting at the back, you can see right here where the first bracket's mounted. There's a plug-in connector on there. It's attached to the harness. And you can see the LED light underneath. You have to cut a radius cutout in the rocker panel. The harness continues up, zip tied in, and I think you have to drill that hole too. And then you see the second bracket. Again, LED underneath. And the wiring harness with the little plug-in connector right there. You follow it forward, and you have your third one. This is the front one, which is right behind the front wheels, really, 1.5 feet back. And again, that wiring harness, that tiny little wire exposed right there, right where rocks, salt, slush, and snow is going to be thrown at it, it's doomed to fail. Here's one of the brackets right here. It's plastic. Is that going to last? I'm not real sure. I am underneath the front of the truck right now. And here is the first one. Now notice how close it is to the front tire. All your stuff from the road. I don't know how that's going to survive. And most importantly, how does this wiring harness survive? How do these tiny little wires survive? So yeah, it's not a groundbreaking mod, but it's kind of slick. I like it. It looks great at night. Will it last? I don't know. On my truck, it might, because I am preserving the truck. I'm not really driving it in the winter or off-roading with it just yet. So maybe it'll last long. Maybe it won't. Not sure. To all my subscribers, I noticed a uptick this week. I'm not sure where you're all coming from, but I appreciate it. I enjoy making these videos. I will be doing more. I am looking at possibly a lift kit for this truck. I'm not sure yet. I've certainly had some comments that that's what I should be doing, so it would look pretty sick lifted. And I'm going to leave you with this. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. It means a lot that you guys are not only watching the videos, but you're subscribing apparently to see what I do next. So I am going to keep doing videos. I think this is a lot of fun, and I'm an amateur at this, so I'm learning as I go. But I did start this channel to share what's bouncing around in my head. I believe many of you are the same way as I am. You know, we like to tinker, and we like to think, and we like to dream, and we like to do different things, try things ourselves. And that's what this channel's about. So I just wanted to say thank you for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.